Hello, this is Surbhi Rajan with Fiesta Employment Agency. Today I'll talk about top IT jobs in 2024 in San Francisco Bay Area and encourage you to join us and build career with Fiesta Employment Agency. Why should we choose Fiesta? We are the leading agency for last 20 years in the East Bay. We build careers and not just find the best job. We share industry trends and news. We provide counseling and how to succeed at the workplace and continue to go there. We already have, so we will find you the best opportunity. Now let me talk about the top 10 IT jobs, starting with number 1. Artificial Intelligence Engineer. The job market trends are reflecting a soaring 35% growth rate for AI engineers. Building revolutionary, and these engineers are building revolutionary AI applications in Bay Area. Emerging startups crafting cutting-edge AI tech with tech titans like OpenAI and Anthropic. The average salary, as you can see, is medium $199,190. Number 2 is data scientist. Again, we will see is rarely 35% job growth. Skills you need is statistical analysis, machine learning, big data tech, data visualization, programming. The Bay Area median salary is $141,089. Number 3 is Information Systems Manager. Information Systems Manager map out the big plan for all entire corporates, including what the company needs tech-wise and hooking up with upgrades. Handling the setup and upkeep of hardware and software and looking down at network and data security like Fortran. The median salary is $105,144. Number 4, Cloud Architect. Skills you need are mastering cloud platforms like AWS, strategy for migrating and deploying to the cloud, DevOps skills, design secure network architecture, an epic data storage solution, and disaster recovery plan. Median salary is $150,000. Number 5, Full stack developer. Code everything from slick user interfaces with JavaScript and React to server-side Wizard and Node.js and Python. A median salary is $165,000. Number 6, Cybersecurity Specialist. Keep the infrastructure safe. The median salary is $145,000. Number 7, Solutions Architect. Develop tech strategies to tackle company challenges, strategically guide major tech implementation, and take full responsibility to technical deliverables in project. The median salary is $174,000. Number 8, DevOps Engineer. Keep the software systems running smoothly by juggling development, deployment, integration, and maintenance tasks like a boss. Automate deployment process like rapid product iteration. The median salary is $170,000. Number 9, Mobile Application Development Skills. Swift or Objective-C, cross-platform frameworks, user experience principle, and version controls like tools like Jet. The median salary is $132,437. Number 10, the last but not least, Data Architect. Design databases, manage data repositories across different environments, and ensure that data moves smoothly between systems. The median salary is $145,374. This is the trends you see, friends, and I encourage you to join and build beautiful careers.